The Ricoh Pro C9500 solves multiple print business challenges. In the past, print quality maintenance and management required advanced skills and was highly dependent on individual expertise. Ricoh has solved this problem by using sophisticated automation technologies to simplify the operation. Use Case 1: Image Quality Inspection. Printed materials can suffer from quality issues such as dots, spots and streaks. Inspection of printing material takes time and effort. Image Quality Monitor automatically generates a digital master image. It uses internal inline sensor to scan printing materials and compare them against the master data. Each page is inspected without compromising productivity. Printing job can be inspected even when images and text differ on pages. By setting the paper type and inspection level in advance, it can be automated without complicated operations for each print job. The detection level and machine processes for detected issues can also be configured based on your operational needs. Inspection operations are improved because inspections are automated and a consistent level of quality is maintained. Use Case 2: Registration. Registration accuracy is critical for producing high-quality printed materials. The Ricoh Pro C9500 automatically adjusts image position and front-to-back registration with internal inline sensor. This makes print preparation possible regardless of operator skill. Image positioning is monitored and adjusted in real time during printing to achieve consistent printing accuracy. The system can be configured to take different actions according to customer criteria, such as a soft stop when a discrepancy exceeding a specified inspection level is detected, and improves efficiency. Use Case 3: Color Stability. Maintaining and managing color stability is a major printing challenge. These problems can be solved using the Auto Color Diagnosis and Image Quality Monitor. Color fluctuation is analyzed using data from the digital master image and internal inline sensor that scans printing materials. It automatically fine-tunes color for consistency without compromising productivity and improving color stability. Graphs can be displayed to monitor color stability while printing. The system also detects color fluctuation during continuous printing in high volume. It can be configured based on customer standards to pause printing when color fluctuations exceed a selected level. This ensures uniform color management and efficient inspection. The Ricoh Pro C9500 uses automation technology to solve a variety of management issues, including operational challenges, skill transfer, customer satisfaction, and loyalty. Ricoh Pro C9500.